Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Jake, I'm Robbie. Today we're doing a Muddy River classic. We're doing the Lakeside Living cocktail for you guys. Awesome. This is one we've been doing for a long time. It's super good. Got a lot of things going. What you're gonna need for this cocktail, you're gonna need silver Carolina Rum. This is an awesome silver rum here. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need fresh mint leaves. You're gonna need strawberries.
You're gonna need lime juice, simple syrup, and then to top it off at the very end, we're gonna need some strawberry kombucha, preferably local.
All right, Jake, so we're gonna do all this in a shaker. Step one, we wanna get to muddling, right?
Muddling, yeah.
All right,
So we're gonna put some mint leaves, which we've already picked, into our shaker, and then I'm gonna muddle those first. Just kind of get them crushed up so you can get all that minty flavor, and then we'll throw the strawberries in there. That's pretty muddy.
Yeah.
Put some strawberries in.
Put some elbow grease in that.
Yeah.
I smell the mint. I smell the strawberries.
Get those kind of crushed up in there, yeah.
Cool.
All right. I don't want to take too much juice in there.
All right. Next up, we're gonna put the lime juice in.
Okay.
So pour that in your glass.
This is 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice per person, so 1.5 ounces if you're making 2.
The recipe will also be in the description below, so you can follow along with that.
Exactly.
Then simple syrup. Add a little sweetness to this cocktail.
A little sweetness, yeah. It's gonna be 1/2 ounce a piece. 1 ounce if you're making 2 of them, like we are. Get all your syrup in there.
Cool.
Good enough.
Then it's rum time.
Rum time.
We're gonna do 2 ounces of rum per person here.
130.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And a little extra. Speaking of elbow grease.
One way to get there.
Oh, yeah, you like straining out of the glass, don't you?
I like it because I can see how I distribute. All right.
And we're gonna top it off with some strawberry kombucha.
Nice. I'll give that a quick stir.
A quick stir, yeah, get that mixed in. Sprig, yeah.
Nice call, dude.
Sprig and a wheel.
Nice. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that cocktail. The recipe, along with links to our website and social media, is in the description below. Don't forget to ask for us in your local liquor store and come out here and check us out. Take a tour, taste our rums, and see how we make it. Thanks for watching, and cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Hello, and welcome to another... That was Australian.
Hello!
Hello, mate.
Hello!
A dingo ate your wombat.
What? I hate when that happens.
The wombat poops square poops. I think that is a real thing.
Probably.
Yeah. I think
Jeff
Carolina's talking about it. Today, we're doing a Muddy River classic, the Catawba Cooler.
No.
Damn it. Today, we're doing a Muddy River One more.
Classic. Crap shit.
Anyway, all right. 5 and 4 and 3. I keep spitting when I'm talking.